Today, you will learn how to convert Google Docs to Word without losing formatting. First, open your web browser, go to Google Drive and sign in to your Google account. Find the Google Docs file you want to convert. If you want to download one file, right-click it and choose Download. Google Drive will automatically convert it into a Microsoft Word DOCX file while keeping most of the formatting the same. If you need to download several documents, hold the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac, select all the files, then right-click and choose Download. Google Drive will save them together in a zip file containing Word documents. You can also convert a document while you're editing it. Just open the Google Doc, click File, then Download and choose Microsoft Word.docx. The Word file will be downloaded directly to your computer and is ready to open in Microsoft Word. This is the easiest way to convert Google Docs to Word without losing formatting. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.